How to delete PUBG account. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to delete PUBG account. Deleting PUBG account is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to Setting. Tap on the gear icon setting located at the bottom right corner of the main menu. Log out. In the Basic tab of the Setting menu, find and tap on Log out. Confirm logout. Confirm that you want to log out of the current account. Then open the Facebook app. Go to main menu. Tap on the menu 3 horizontal lines. Access setting and privacy. Scroll down and tap on setting and privacy. Then tap setting from the expanded menu. Go to app and website. Scroll down to the permissions section. Tap app and website. Manage active apps. Under logged in with Facebook, you will see app and website linked to your account. Look for PUBG Mobile under the active tab. Remove PUBG Mobile. Tap on PUBG Mobile to select it. At the bottom, tap remove. Confirm removal. A pop-up will appear to confirm the removal. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can delete your PUBG account. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.